Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning we're going to take a look at the new complete Dynon panel. This one's in a Grumman Tiger. It's a nice installation. It's a nice looking panel with a lot of capability, so stay tuned while we show you some more about it. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So here's why we look at the Dynon panel so carefully in this video. First off, if you've got an airplane, like we're looking at the project airplane as Eric did in his Tiger, he looked at what he had for a panel, and he looked at it was going to cost him about $35,000 to bring it up to modern standards, add adsb, appropriate radios, and some other stuff. And then he looked at, you can have an entire Dynon panel put in your airplane for about $45,000, and everything's new. All the instrument ages are done too, so it's a much better deal. And then, as you'll see, there's one little perk you get to it, but still, it's a better economic value. You put $45,000 in, and you get all new equipment.
Well,
it was over 20.
Right. And so anyway, if you get a new Dynon panel in your airplane, and there's an airplane here with one, and we are comparing it to the Project Tiger, and Matt and I have already decided we want one, buy a panel and look at the hat you get out of the deal.
So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.
And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.